Hi, I'm Harin from Tanya and Tamara. As you saw before, you would see a lot of dirt and corrosion, food stains. It looks a little unclean inside. So over here, these are food spills. I'm pretty sure you'll be a little more careful than what you see here. And over here, you will see corrosion spots in here. And on this side of the door, you'll see burn marks and you'll see food oil here. And a lot of corrosion and grime and all this stuff. So these are basically caused when you are not able to cover up your food when you're heating it up. The trick here is the microwave generates a massive wave which when it goes through your food there can be small explosions inside. So those explosions causes splashes inside the chamber, inside this microwave chamber like you see here. So now we love to have salt in our food because it gives a good taste, and salt can also be a cause of corrosion like you see here. So what I'm trying to tell you is when there is corrosion and it causes sparks, and sparks can catch fire like you see here. So basically covering up your food can increase the lifespan of your microwave, and especially microwaves are now very expensive, as you know. That's it for today. Take care till then.